Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. Long time no see, I know. I've been gone for a while. I apologize guys. It's been a crazy time. But I thank God for everything. I came back after, like, you understand, posting this year, and after my son's birthday I had to do another operation, and that like just messed with my mood a little bit. But I promise I'm back now. I'm going to be uploading often. Let me know at the comment section what videos that you want me to upload, and I just want to put this out there before starting this video that I am back. And thank you guys for all your love and support. Thank you for those who have not unsubscribed. Thank you to my new subscriber. Thank you for joining me. I'm Josephine, but I'm known as Jojo Fine 01. Anyway guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and various websites. I'm going to link them at the description bar. So guys, let's start with this tutorial. It's so good to be back. Like, for those who are interested to know, I'm using my iPad to film this tutorial. Okay guys, for today's tutorial I'm going to be filming a video, like a review on the new Fenty Beauty Bright Fix concealer. So that is how the product looks like. They said this concealer is to brighten your under eyes. That is what it's all about. So I'm going to start by doing everything I normally do before getting to that part of concealing. Fenty skin moisturizer. I'm going to use to moisturize my face before the foundation or the tinted moisturizer I'm going to be using. This will also serve as the primer. Using the new Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint as a foundation today. It looks like this. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty brush, the Fenty Beauty 125 face brush. This foundation does not really have much coverage. It's a tinted moisturizer. This looks good. I don't know how it's looking right now, but it looks good to me. I'm using shade 20 because when I check the shade, I am on the foundation. I'm shade 410. I wear 410, 420, and 20 is the shade range for that shade. Now I'm going to take the brighten. I'm going to try two methods that people have been using. I've seen on Fenty page on Instagram. So when they sent this, they sent it with a mini card that said that, okay, you apply the brighten on the eyes like concealer first, then you apply your concealer, like I'm going to be using the Fenty concealer on top of it to just brighten, like to give you that coverage. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to try using just this on my right hand side, which should be my left hand side on camera. Yeah, then I'm going to use this with the concealer on the side of my face. So I'll take the shade on my bottom. I'm going to apply that. Oh, that actually worked. Look at that. Oh wow. Actually brighten down the eyes. Oh my god. You can use this on its own, guys. Like, look at that. If you are going for that no makeup look, this is perfect. This blends so well. Oh, this is actually nice. So what I'm going to do now, like I said, I'm going to see how it looks applying the Fenty Beauty concealer on top of it. So I'm going to try that. So what do you think? This side or this side? Let me know. Yeah. So you can wear it either way. For me, I think you can wear it either way. So I'm just going to do the same thing here. Cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty in the just use this brush by Rave technique. So when you are contouring, I always, like when I am contouring rather, I always like to follow the shape of my face because I smile. When I smile, my cheek is a bit so I always follow the shape of my face, so I don't just go with a straight line on my face. To apply cream blush, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty cream blush. Fenty Beauty cream blush. Highlighter brush. Anyway, I'm going to use the highlighter brush by Fenty to apply this. That's a beautiful blush. That's beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm applying all the cream first before applying any powder. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty powder in honey. Use this brush, the Fenty Beauty 195 brush. So I'm not going to be baking, I'm just going to set. So I'm going to now quickly go and do my eyes and finish up my face, then I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. I think I should apply my glue, my highlighter. I will come back and apply my highlighter, then we'll talk, okay? So I use the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting spray to spray my face. I love the setting spray. Okay guys, this is how my face is looking, and the concealer by Fenty Beauty, the Brighten Under Eye Concealer, works really well. If you want it to be a bit full coverage, leave it to dry a bit before you blend it out. But if you just want to remove under eye bags and under eye circles, just put a little bit. You can dab it with your finger, use a brush, use a sponge, whatever you use. And to have that coverage, like the full coverage, you can apply like this way I did it. Apply your other concealer, you can use the other Fenty concealer on top of it to just give you that extra coverage, but it brightens the under eyes really well. So I actually like this product. I'll continue using it with my concealer, or the next time when I do my makeup I'm going to apply it, because the method I did not try is using this concealer first, like the normal concealer first, then applying the Brighten Fix, like the Brighten Up concealer on top of it. I would really like to see how that will be. You understand? I'm going to try that on my next video. Like, let me know at the comment section. Yeah, cow. Let me know at the comment section if you've tried that method using the Fenty concealer, or if you want me to try that method of using the normal concealer first, applying the Brighten Under Eyes concealer on top of it. I think that's, I'm thinking that will work. So I'm going to try that. So guys, with the rest of the product, I like the Fenty Beauty blurring skin tint, this foundation right here. I actually like it. I've been using it, like I'm not going to tell you, like this concealer, this foundation, I've been using it off camera, like because of the way, like the weather is getting warmer. Anytime I don't want full coverage, I always go for this YouTuber, or you've seen me work before. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. And also, I'm going to leave, if you watch to the end of this video, I will try as much as possible to leave an update of this makeup right here, okay? Because I'm going to do a wear test. Let me see how it wears, right? Sorry, the update. Hello guys, how you guys doing? I just wanted to show you guys the update of the concealer. This is how my face is looking. Yeah, I changed up my eye look a bit. It's not creasing though, because I use a powder, so you have to set it with the powder. So I've been wearing this for a couple of hours, like 5 hours now, and my face look really good. I really love that Fenty spray. It's good. So I'm outside filming it with my crappy phone. Anyway, let's forget about that. So look at my skin, looking good. The weather is not so good today, but we're managing it. So guys, I just wanted to come and show you guys the look. I'm going back inside because it's cold. I'll see you guys on my next video. So I'm going to go and take this makeup off. 5 hours update. Peace. Bye guys.